Well, the trend of great resignation has reversed. Now more people are job hugging. What is it, you may ask? Well, today, US employees are less likely to change jobs, and labor economists say a new trend has emerged: job hugging. So, what is job hugging? The phrase was coined by Korn Ferry Consultants earlier this month. At its core, job hugging means staying in a role even when it no longer feels like a great fit. The reasons can vary. For some, it is financial security, and for others, it is loyalty to a team or fear of losing benefits. The behavior itself has been around for decades, but the name captures the mood of the workplace today. The quits rate, the rate at which workers voluntarily leave their jobs and a gauge of their perceptions of the labor market, has stayed around 2% since the start of this year, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. That's significant because levels have remained consistently low since 2016, apart from the COVID-19 pandemic. So why job hugging has taken a hold? The reason for this shift are rooted in both macroeconomic conditions and individual worker perceptions. Rising borrowing costs driven by high interest rates have cooled business expansion. Employers are not hiring at the same pace they once did, and job seekers have fewer positions to choose from. Payroll data showcases the showdown. In July 2025, the US economy added only 73,000 jobs, a sharp drop compared to the earlier monthly average of 111,000. Over the previous 3 months, average job growth slumped to just 35,000. The ratio of job opening to unemployed workers has also narrowed significantly. In March 2022, there were roughly 2 openings for every person seeking work. By June 2025, the ratio had fallen to nearly 1:1, showing how much tighter the market has become. But does job hugging make sense? Well, there are situations where job hugging can be a smart survival tactic. If your industry is unstable, sticking with a role that provides security makes sense. If your company offers benefits that protect your family, it may be worth staying while the market stabilizes. If your current position gives you the chance to learn skills that will be valuable in the future, then hanging on to your role is not just survival, it is strategy. In these cases, job hugging becomes a calculated pose, and when people stay in roles out of fear alone, they can fall into the trap of status quo thinking. If you wake up every day dreading work, but you keep telling yourself it is better than the unknown, you slowly shut down your growth and motivation fades. Over time, your skills may even slip because you're no longer pushing yourself. So, are you job hugging or job hopping? Do let us know in the comments below. And for more such content, keep watching NDTV.